Hey, where's your skirts?
Somebody stole them. They're on a new Pinto.
Where's your skirts? Hey.
I don't wear skirts.
Come here. Hey. Hey, you. Boy, you're terrible. It's going to show up on TV.
Yeah, there's pictures taken enough at the lowrider.
Happy birthday, old man.
Today your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh,
What are you,
got it
51?
left side there.
49. You're full of shit.
Same year as my car. 49. Get that on
Is today-
tape. 49. Ain't 50.
Is today your
49.
birthday?
49.
Huh?
What side?
Right here.
Temperature rising, the jukebox blowing the fuse. My heart beating rhythm and my soul people singing the blues. I roll over Beethoven, tell Tchaikovsky to lose. I got the rockin' pneumonia, I need a shot of rhythm and blues. I caught the Raymond operator sitting down at a rhythm review. I roll over Beethoven, they're rocking in 2 by 2. Well, if you feel it and like it, go get your lover that feel and pocket. Roll it over, move on up with the type of color that reel and stop with. Run another roll over Beethoven, dig his rhythm and blues. The music will never stop. I roll over Beethoven. I roll over Beethoven. I roll over Beethoven. Roll over Beethoven. I roll over Beethoven. Give me the rhythm and blues.
50.
Chuck Berry.
49, 50, 51.
Theater in 3 weeks. Tell you more dirty gals on a big hit here on the Big K. It's called Eddie, My Love.
Eddie, my
What?
Hey, Charlie, what does that 454 mean on top of your filter? Oh, okay.
Sweeper that ain't.
Where you at? You guys train a lot of time
Hey, Al. How's it going, buddy? Lord, it I want a bag. Nice. Did you walk in back to me?
How much is in
I know you. Yeah, I know you. I know you too.
Looking out of your good eye?
I know always where to find you. Look for the shade.
Yeah, look for the shade, right.
Yeah, you got the white.
Hey.
Not quite as white. Well, no.
You're working on that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Those are old kids, so my kids don't touch those toys. That total body on them.
Yeah, we're gonna see. I should actually.
When I grew up watching him, he didn't have gray hair, and he did it at this moment. I didn't know.
Yeah?
That's
it?
That's it.
I want one of that. I got to see how this stuff comes out.
Oh, it's really
I'll
good.
buy one tomorrow.
It's
if
really
it'll
good.
Do what I'm.
Hey, how many louvers you got on your back?
On my back? Less than in the hood. But I got them all over.
Hey, if I place for a quarter? Huh?
The only way to go. Put that 8 mile.
Who's singing this? Quick, what year did it come out? Hey, what month? How many singles did it sell? Come on.
Could have used you at the Holland, Michigan. They had a.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Hey.
I'll tell you why. There's a real good reason why, because John Pitch is in the dunk tank now. And apparently there are a lot of folks that should like him. All of it's WOK Rock.
What's los hier, Puri?
Everything went good.
What's with all these cars here? Huh?
We made it down here one piece this time.
Hi,
Johnny, how you doing?
All right.
You want something on videotape, boy?
Hey, keep it clean.
Go right in here, find us. Dad.
How many quarts? 5?
That makes me happy.
There, with cylinder, if it's a ring, you're gonna have bad plugs.
I pulled my plugs out. When was that? Last week or something? All they were just black. They weren't wet, and none of them were wet. Last week I pulled them off.
Okay, then you know what it is.
It's carbon, right?
They're all black steel.
Well,
huh?
don't worry about it. About the trouble.
Yeah, well, why is it running so shitty? I mean,
You feel like dancing? Don't be shy.
Suicide doors, Charlie.
Yeah, there's a couple of them like that around.
Yeah.
Marimba Maya, out of Chicago, Illinois.
You ever see that white mark down here with the chrome dash and everything in it?
Unreal, huh? How low can you go, huh? It's 51, Charlie. Unbelievable, huh? The work is flawless.
So give me a
This is nice. Hey, this car, did you look at the work on this thing? It's flawless.
Smooth flowing. Same as that.
No, it's if I wanted to go down to it, he didn't come with me. So I said, I'm going to take some pictures and show him what he missed.
Feeling in that little pink one, that's section and everything.
Yeah, that has it too.
Yeah.
Right.
That is one neat car, ain't it?
Oh, you ain't kidding. I remember when it was in Black Prime.
Yeah, I remember the first time in Mid-Century Mercury when he first did it.
Right.
Before he even started, Norm was
I
talking
loved
to him.
that thing. I went over there about 300 times and looked at
So
it.
did Norm.
I
Norm was,
couldn't-
that's when
I
Norm,
couldn't
that's
stop
when Norm
looking at it.
decided to chop, you know, the other Mercury we had. And he saw, you know, Paul's car.
I like them headlights too. That's
Oh,
neat.
he's done such a beautiful job on this car.
Charlie, huh?
Look at it.
Hey, let me take a fight, huh?
Look at it.
Unbelievable.
I don't know where they stopped. What do they really cover? You know? Yeah, okay, we'll insure you. Your insurance rate, make sure it goes up quite a bit or something. So how do you like it? There you go. Yeah, right. Yeah.
White primer.
Yeah, right. All those things we got. Yeah.
Alley-oop. Yeah, it is.
That's why
Bull's motor in there?
Camaro subframe. Air in it.
Gotta stop it so we're hungry, yeah, what is it? Yeah, pictures like this. Yeah, it's an old reservation.
Nice, huh? You see that tail light, Charlie, when it's lit up at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks sharp.
Oh, you can't stand it. Yeah. Can't stand it. Yeah. I think ours is a small one.
Okay. I'll call my wife.
Hey. Pee-wee!
I need a good shot right here. Glad you put me on a...
They are. The Franken.
Hey, Johnny, what's happening, buddy?
Coca-Cola.
Hey, after last night, Johnny, strictly Coke. Dick's going over to the...
You seen the light, right?
I seen the light, brother. I seen the light.
Amen. A Barris Custom right there.
They probably paid to get in, but they're like 10 bucks a night.
Stella, I'm taking a picture of your koozie. Ain't you gonna talk to me, Stella? Come on.
Cat's got her tongue.
Like Ronnie says, don't do it, Stella. Don't do it.
Oh.
Beautiful that Chevy is. And there's Alley-oop. Oh, that sucker is dynamite.
There you go.
What is
It's off. My phone was off.
It's a Lincoln Continental.
Hey. Look who's here. Mr. Mercury.
Where is he? Oh, there's that guy with that Mercury. Hey, take out your wallet and show us a picture of that car.
Yeah, show us the picture of your car.
He says, give me a break.
What
give
is
me
this,
a
gang
break.
up on one guy there?
Gang up on Bob.
You bet, John.
Get him! Get him! Get up! Good morning!
You got a happy voice.
Didn't you trust your car yet?
Not ready yet.
Yeah, he's not ready.
We're not ready yet either.
He didn't buy a trailer yet.
He'll have 97,000 miles on a motor, and he'll say, I think it's getting broken, guys.
Hey, Dick, he didn't buy a trailer yet.
You betcha. Hey, why, you should ask me. I could have gave you my two-wheeler, and you could have towed it down. The hell?
You could have stayed home and got this abuse, right?
Right.
Where's Kathy? Is she here?
Oh.
Well, can't pick on her, then.
You could let her have a day off.
We got another one, too. 49.
There they are, right there. For sale. Mercury Heaven. For sale, whoever wants one. For sale. For sale. And look at the little cupcake sitting out here in the field.
Does one?
That's Scott.
No, not Scott. I'm really happy.
Ain't that nice? Is that the one that lady owns?
I don't know.
I think it is.
One owner, there's only 3 of them made.
Yeah. Suicide doors, huh? Pretty sick, huh? Dynamite?
Yeah, that is a nice car.
That is dynamite.
That red one over there, too.
Yep, that's pink primer.
That's the one I wanted to know.
Yeah, look at that one. Ain't that something else?
What's it?
Yeah.
His wheel?
He was banging on the door. One of the guys got up and let him in. They didn't know who the hell he was.
Mike, give me your cigarette. They don't know.
Oh, we could risk doing that. Hot enough out here for you?
Oh, that must be the owner inside there, huh? You going cruising? Hey, man, where you going, man? All right, huh?
Drop it all the way down. Johnny has to get so low on it when you set it up. It goes like this and it's bounded. It broke the U-joint on it. I guess that's what happened.
John Millet.
Don't feel shy. Hey, we want to hear the
home camera.
Benson, Lake Pipe.
Next coming up is 1953.
I don't know, they're going to give us Milwaukee boys in competition this year. Yeah. I don't think we're going to... about right here for the happen. I don't think our club's going to take first and second this year.
So what happened?
1972 Caddy.
Oh, you know what? I think like in the flamethrower. James, after this, James.
Next 9, Lincoln.
All right, Jack. All right.
This is Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 1949 Mercury.
That looks bad.
Dick Petrosky, Bruce Constitution of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 1949 Mercury.
Where's John at?
No, Rasmus. This guy's out for
Unit for the lowriders and lead sleds. Blueberry Hill Limited, Little Brook. Don't forget, people, tonight we got a big dance here. Line up. Here's the lineup. There you go. Number 1. Mark George.
Guy. He's coming along here. Looks like about a 51 Chevy lowrider. First time ever, folks, right here in the Rock River Valley, the Hop Off. All the cash prizes don't... Cash prizes. One of our major sponsors this year, Budweiser Beer. LRB Distributors, Dixon, Illinois.
Kentucky lowrider. Probably put together by the hydraulic man himself, expert Stanley Shaker put this system together.
Okay. Break out a fight. Rampage.
Hewitt.
Looks like we're going to have to do one.
Hey, Felix Colon in a 75 Laguna Chevrolet out of Muscatine, Iowa.
That's what I thought too, man.
And we might add again, these cash awards are a lot of these cash prizes. Most of the cash prizes and some of the trophies will be given out, are given out as sponsored. Doing good, Felix Colon. Real good.
Cisco, go!
There's one hell of a car, huh, Charlie?
Huh?
One hell of a car right here. That Buick. Hey, Johnny, what's happening? Detroit lean. Huey.
Hey, Johnny.
You're on camera right now.
Not today, not today.
Say your piece.
All right, make me 40 copies. I got a lot of girls to hand them out to.
You had a lot of rest.
You bet. They fooled around so long at the motel. By the time we got started, the line was already gone.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
Hey, Barb. You're gonna give me a moonshot or what?
Okay, ahorita.
Good idea.
You like it, enjoy it, or not? We got
Okay, for the Club Participation Award for Custom Car Club, we have the Classic Cruisers out of Madison, Wisconsin. Classic
Jack. Looking good.
Okay, for Special Interest Car, which is a special award plaque, car number 116. Car number 116, special award. Special award plaque. Illustra, John. Yeah! Let's hear it, Pee-wee. We have a word here real quick from Brewtown. Let's hear it from Brewtown, Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
glad I came here. This is my third show, and I'll be back next year.
From Brewtown Cruisers, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Car number 91. Al Abel, Madison, Wisconsin. Classic Cruisers, I believe. 50-50, 54 convertible.
Pee-wee.
Al Abel.
What do you got there, Pee? All right.
And you start taking pictures.
Okay, car number 1. Had a lot of real nice. You heard it. He's been here the second time around. He said he'll be back. And he's part of the Class Cruisers, Nifty's 50s. Yeah, could we get a word from you, Phil?
We've enjoyed ourselves here very much. And like I said, we'll bring some classic cruisers with me. We brought some with us. And maybe next year we'll bring more. We do appreciate it. I love it.
You heard it. He really loved it. And we loved having him here, too. Classic Cruisers.
Is that number 4? 3 or 4?
Okay, car number 95 in the 70s.
We're mighty weak here this morning, eh?
Don and Arnie Shelton.
Hey, Barb. Smile, you're on candid camera.
You're gonna love it.
Oh, no. Yep, she's going back to the mental ward.
Car number 113, Steve Franks in a 69 Camaro.
Probably would have been better at it.
That's that 69Z.
The one you just gave a tape for.
A lot of work on that car. Hey, Ray, I'd like to get a word real quick.
Well, like the rest of the people, I've been here. This is my second year. We're going to be back next year, and we'll have the Buick back, but all the credit goes to that man sitting right over there. It was a four-door Buick, and Merlin converted it for me, and this is what we come up with. We really love it, and we thank you all.
Al Pollen in a 40 Chevy, car number 124.
The Classic Kid! I didn't think you would. I didn't think you would because it was full custom.
Full custom. Full custom. Car number 104. 49 Merc. Carson Kidd. We might get a word from him up here. He's out of Brewtown, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we brought a bunch of people up here with him. Let's see what he's got to say.
This show gets bigger and better every year, Jimmy, and I love it every year.
You heard it. He says he really loves the show here, and we're happy that you people are here to make it happen. Okay, we'll go to the 1930s in full custom. Car number 96 in a 37 Olds, Mingo Lada. Mingo Lada, car number 96 in the 30s full custom.
We hold it up, please. Hold it up, please.
Yeah, let's get the name of the car. You got the name on that car?
What you got there, buddy?
El Coyote, which means the coyote.
A winner, huh?
That's the name of the car. 37
Looks
old,
good.
number 96, Mingolata, in a 30s full custom.
You betcha.
She can't wait to get another cold one in her.
She'll say,
Boy. Huh?
I know.
Jorge Flores. Jorge Flores, third place in the hopping contest winner. Second place, Eli Valerio. Eli's coming. And the first place winner. them guys a hand. The winners are the happy. From Sycamore, Illinois. Okay. He's got some 357 engine. They can really shoot them flames. The Classic Cruisers from Madison, Wisconsin, 1954 Ford. You can really shoot them. It's a 302.